Hi, I'm Mr. Dinaj. I'm one of the two library media specialists at Wilton High School. Today, I'm going to show you two ways you can log into Schoology at the start of the school year and on a daily basis. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that I am logged in with my Wilton PS account on Chrome. If you're working on an Apple computer, please be sure that you have Google Chrome as a web browser. Google Chrome is the key to using Power School and Schoology throughout this school year. Next thing I'm going to do is going to open up a tab and I'm going to type in wilton.schoology.com. So again, I'm going to type in wilton.schoology.com. Once I hit enter, it's going to show me that I'm in my Wilton PS account. It's going to be for Schoology integration. I will then click on my ID there, and it's going to bring me right into Schoology. You might want to bookmark that page if you want to go back to it. Again, it's wilton.schoology.com, and that's the first way that you can log into Schoology. The second way that you can log into Schoology is if you type in schoology.com and click login. You will notice that there at the bottom of the login is something called an SSO login. Click on SSO, and it will ask you your school or your postal code. I will type in Wilton High School, and it will find it for me. I click it, and if it's my personal device, I can click Remember My School, and I can click Login. And again, it brings me to that Google screen, and I click on my Wilton PS profile, and I am in Schoology. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and we'll see you soon in the LLC.